This honey cranberry barbecue sauce is seriously the best of both worlds. It's a condiment that you can make at home. It's so easy to make homemade barbecue sauce, and this one is perfect for a holiday or a wintertime meal. So all you need to do is dump all the ingredients for it into a saucepan. You want to make sure that it's pretty big because the cranberries are going to burst as they cook. So into that saucepan, you're going to have tangy, yummy, sweet ingredients like cranberries, fresh or frozen, some honey, brown sugar, ketchup, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, garlic salt, powdered onion, black pepper, and last but not least, some Worcestershire sauce. You bring it all to a boil over medium heat, and once it's bubbly in there, you just let it kind of sit and thicken, reduce the heat a little bit, and then it's going to keep breaking down. Just keep stirring it regularly. This only takes about 10 or 15 minutes to make this tasty honey cranberry barbecue sauce. It is so good when it's nice and thick and those cranberries have burst. It's ready to enjoy, but it will be super hot, so let it cool down. This is really great on all sorts of turkey dishes, chicken, and more. If this is your first time here, we post new videos almost every day. We are Jenna and Patrick. We're parents, foodies, creators here at Sip Bite Go, and we've lived all over the USA. We love to travel, eat out, love to cook. We make a lot of smoke foods, grill, sous vide, and more. If you're interested in all that, you should hang around because we love sharing restaurant-style recipes here with you on Sip Bite Go. See you next time. Cheers!